when an individual goes to an open house unrepresented, they need to be aware that the hosting agent is there to sell the house. That's their first priority. A second priority of that agent is to identify people walking in who may not be represented by an agent and try to gauge and ultimately sign you on as a client. So you're definitely going in unrepresented as an individual into the shark pit of sorts. Not that it's really that bad or scary, but it's just a comparison. That needs to be the understanding of an individual going into that, hey, they're looking for money out of my pocket, or they're looking to sign me on to be represented by them. And if you can go in with that clear expectation, then you know how to better guard yourself and how to not be surprised by conversations and how to more accurately navigate those conversations as you encounter them.